At a Samsung media event earlier today, I had the chance to go hands-on, not that these are my hands, with the Samsung Galaxy Book S. This is Samsung's new premium laptop, due to launch here in Australia towards the end of the year. And initial impressions are pretty good. This is a really thin, really light laptop. It weighs in at just under a kilo and actually feels like it weighs even less when you pick it up. But that doesn't mean it feels flimsy. It's quite solid. There are some compromises, as you can see here. Single USB-C port on each side, so you're not going to be throwing a whole lot of peripherals onto this without some kind of hub. Still, it's a really nicely built laptop, and that extends through to the keyboard. I've not been the biggest fan of some of Samsung's keyboards on its products of late, but this is a good one. Passed a quick typing test with flying colours. There are some challenges, though, the biggest of which being that this is running on the Qualcomm 8CX processor, and that's a mobile processor. It should give it an incredible battery life. Samsung says up to 23 hours, but the price you pay for that is that it's not going to be wholly compatible with everything Windows. For that, you need an x86 processor, an Intel or an AMD typically, and that is not what this has, so older programs, older drivers may not work so well on it. It's also not going to be inexpensive. Here in Australia, it'll start at $1,699 for a 256 gig model, or $1,899 for a 512 gig, and that puts it in that upper tier. Still, if push comes to shove, you could always live under it as a tent. Thanks for watching.